Going to give you a sneak peek into our Formula Sportsman, which we began painting a couple of days ago with our deck, our interior liner, and our motor box. Last night we painted our gunnel cap, the console, as well as the money, our hull. As you heard me say during our videos, that this particular restoration we are restoring right back to as original as we possibly can. My friends at Awlgrip dialed in the colors perfectly. This is called Morrisville Double, and it's a very pearly white that absolutely is making this pop. All part of making it Metan.